examples and benefits that automation will bring. Then we'll take a look at the different products that ICP-USA offers for smart building automation. Also, we'll briefly touch security and remote monitoring of smart building. ICP-DAS was established in 1993. Our headquarters is located in Hsinchu, Taiwan. ICP-DAS USA was launched in 2001 to support North and South American markets. We have over 200 R&D engineers, and we work closely with them to add new features to our product, develop new products, and support our customers. Most of our products are RoHS compliant, which means they are lab-free. We have our ISO 9001 certification, which ensure we meet product requirements. Smart buildings deliver useful building service that makes occupants productive. For example, illumination, thermal comfort, air quality, physical security, and many more, at the lowest cost and environmental impact over the building life cycle. Reaching this vision requires adding intelligence from the beginning of design phase through to the end of the building's useful life. Smart buildings use information technology during operation to connect a variety of subsystems, which typically operate independently, so that this system can share information to optimize total building performance. They are connected and responsive to the smart power grid, and they interact with building operator and occupants to allow them to have a better management of the building. Smart buildings will require connectivity between all the equipment and systems in a building. An example would be chiller plant optimization, which boosts the efficiency of the chiller operation by incorporating outside weather data and information about occupancy. Another example is using data from the building security system to turn off light and reduce cooling when occupants are not present. Other applications can also be used in a smart building. On a smaller scale, there is smart home. Homeowners can integrate different systems to have a higher level of comfort and security at home. The irrigation system could be turned on or off depends on weather. The AC system could be regulated even when the occupants are away to avoid more power consumption. When designing smart buildings, the designer needs to take in account that different equipment will be needed, the protocols to communicate with all those equipment, and the network infrastructure needed. On the next slide, we will start exploring the different products of ICP-DAS USA available for smart building automation. The first product I will talk about is HA401. It is an intercom host that supports security control, integrating functions related to message notification, security alarm, community bullets, interior environment control, visitor intercom, and push advertising. The HA401 uses advanced automation control, database software, computer network, communication technology, and building message management, combined with a smart home system to achieve intelligent indoor control. HA41 also provides support for a number of standard communication protocols, such as Modbus RTU and Modbus TCP protocol. When used in conjunction with a SCADA system, HA41 is able to provide support for smartphones also. The phone can be used to integrate with local or remote software to provide control function for home lighting, air conditioning, television, electronic curtains, and security alerts, delivering a more stylish and comfortable smart home experience based on technology. The next product will be the IWS 4201 CE7. It is a Windows CE7 based IndieSoft programmable automation controller. This pack has a TFT LCD touchscreen, flat panel display, and can be used for HMI and control application. Interface connectivity types for this device include Gigabit Ethernet, USB port, RS-232, and RS-485. So it can work with remote I/O, such as Ethernet, RS-485, Wi-Fi, and Zigbee devices. The front panel is Lima 4 or IP65 rated, which means this device can withstand water, dust, and humidity. It can run under a wide range of temperature, such as which is -10 degrees to 60 degrees Celsius. In building with many floors and larger area, it is more convenient to use remote I/O module for sensors and actuators. In traditional system, where all the control is central, with the PLC and I/O in the same cabinet, every sensor needs to be wired to the central cabinet or control room, let's say, generating huge costs in wiring. With remote I/O module, the sensors can be wired to an I/O module near the sensor. For example, every floor of the building. And then use a single pair of cable for communication can be wired to the control room. ICP-USA has a wide range of remote I/O module with Modbus RTU communication protocol. This is also a cost-effective, tiny series. There are any analog I/O for temperature, voltage, current, digital I/O for relay, counters, frequency, and etc. In newer buildings with a capable Ethernet network available, another great option would be using Modbus TCP remote I/O module. In this case, the I/O can be connected to the nearest switch on the floor. Added benefit for using the Modbus TCP I/O is the availability of power over Ethernet in some models, which allows the power for the I/O to be sent with the same communication cable. Other modes, those also allow daisy chain cabling, such as the ET7200 series, which intermediate switches are not needed, but the communication flows through the two Ethernet ports of the I/O module. DGW521 is a communication gateway between Modbus RTU, DCOM, and the DALI protocols. DALI stands for Digital Addressable Lighting Interface. GW512 allows a controller to access DALI device by providing free interface that enable conversation from RS-232, RS-485, USB to DALI. The module provides a built-in DALI power supply that can be enabled via a switch. DALI is an international standard for lighting control interface and is suitable for DALI lighting system covering small areas. The maximum length of the DALI signal cable cannot exceed 300 meters. For the indoor motion detection, PIR130 can be used and configured to automatically switch on a light if motion is detected. PIR130 module includes a one-channel passive infrared sensor that is able to detect infrared waves generated by human within a range of approximately 8 meters in diameter with a 360-degree coverage area. PIR130 module also includes one-channel temperature sensor can be used for measuring room temperature or configured to activate fire alarm. Another option for temperature measuring are the DL series. They can measure temperature, humidity, dew point, CO, and CO2 measurements that can be shown simultaneously on a 2.8-inch display. They can store up to 450,000 records with date and time stamp. With web-based configuration interface, free software utility, iOS app, and Android app. In the building and home, there are a lot of equipment that can be controlled with an infrared IR controller. IR712 MTCP is a universal IR learning remote module which can learn IR remote commands of diverse electronic devices. The learning commands can be stored in the module or saved to a file. IR712 MTCP supplies 2 IR output channels for individual or simultaneous control on multiple devices. The IR utility provides easy configuration, learning, test, and storage of IR commands. The controller of a small building can communicate with the IR712 MTCP to control electronic device. Also, we have IR310RM. There is a 10-channel high-power relay module designed for the power control of various appliances. The relay module can switch up to 10 amp loads. There are normally open or normally closed switch and protection circuit for each channel. The relay can be controlled independently or sequentially by serial communication with Modbus LTU protocol, as well as wireless IR remote control. The application field can be manual or automatic power switch, light scenario control, and energy conservation, and etc. energy monitoring due to the high price of the utility service. It is the topic most buildings are dealing with, as they need to control the usage to avoid high bills. Power meter can be used to build single store in a shopping center, depends on their usage. ICP-DAS USA brings the most powerful, cost-effective, advanced smart power meter series that gives access to real-time electric usage for power measurement. PM3000 series can be applied to both low voltage primary side and medium or high voltage secondary sides to enable the user obtaining reliable and accurate energy consumption readings from the monitor equipment in real time under operation. These compact size and cost-effective power meters are equipped with wire keep-on CT, which support input current up to 400 amp. It also supports Modbus RTU, Modbus TCP, or CAN open protocol for easy integration. The PM4324 multi-circuit power meter can connect up to 8 three-phase circuits or 24 single-phase circuits. This flexibility makes the PM4324 perfect for residential projects, office buildings, and shopping malls. This compact instrument is designed to easily fit into existing panel boards, eliminating the need for expensive retrofit projects or for allocating extra space for the device. The PMC5151 is a web-based intelligent power meter concentrator developed by ICP-DAS. It offers web interface and features such as power data connection, logic control, power demand management, data logger, and alarm notification functions. PMC5151 allows connection to other ICP-DAS smart power meters via RS485 or Ethernet interface to read the power data of the device. And then real-time record the power values in the data logger file. It also provides data logger files auto send back function. Together with PMC data server software or SCADA software, it allows collection and analysis of the power data. Security and safety in smart building is another important feature. The system in the building must be able to control who can be accessed the different area of the building, intrusion detection, CCTV network, etc. ICP-DAS USA also has solutions for this area. Our access control module will be available soon with access control readers that support RFID induction. They will provide three functions: door access control, voice guardian, and floor control, and can be used for community door access and elevator control. Door position detection function which can consolidate the security of access control system and effectively enhance the surface quality of the building. IVS-255 is a high-performance standalone video server based on Intel Xscale CPU, 400 MHz clock speed, and embedded Linux OS. It can simultaneously perform 4-channel real-time and packable video encoding, audio encoding, and 1-channel audio playout. All this streaming data will go through Ethernet to be stored and viewed on a server. Finally, I will also use some other products that could be useful for smart building automation, like wireless I/O module, protocol converter, and other accessories. The ICANN 116 is an industrial LCD display that is suitable for indoor area and provides a single line of 8 and unique code characters for multiple language, or 16 ASCII characters. Support for the popular Modbus industrial protocol is provided, meaning that it can be easily integrated into existing PLC and SCADA. The ICANN 116 enables data written from PC or PLC to be displayed in real time in a formatted message. 7 colors are available for the text, which can be used to indicate different degrees of important message. For example, to tell the occupants of the building they need to evacuate due to the emergency. With an open user interface and the ability to display real-time data, the ICANN 116 can be installed in a variety of indoor space or area, including shopping mall, railway station, in industrial areas. ICV-DAS USA provides the TVD series of touch HMI device designed for home or building automation applications, with features like a high-resolution touchscreen, real-time clock, and a variety of communication interface, including RS-232, RS-485, Ethernet, or USB. The TVD series can be used with an exterior wall box to help smoothly blend the TVD series device into a decoration. HMIWorks is a free development tool that can be used to design the letter diagram for touchpad. A single touchpad becomes a touch HMI device with one letter logic. A TVD series can be used for temperature display and control AC or fan speed, turn on light or with dimmer, keypad for security system, etc. With the popularity of 802.11 network infrastructure and the Internet of Things, that brings every device connected. The ICV-DAS USA Wi-Fi data acquisition product provide an easy way to incorporate wireless connectivity connectivity into monitoring and control systems. The Wi-Fi module supports communication distance up to 100 meters, line of sight. Using wireless I/O is beneficial where the wiring can be costly or difficult to achieve. In the wireless I/O product, there are also different options for analog and digital signals. Zigbee is another option for wireless I/O in smart buildings. Zigbee is a specification based on IEEE 802.15.4 standard for wireless personal area networks. Zigbee defines a general purpose, inexpensive, self-organizing mesh network for industrial control, building automation and home automation, etc. Zigbee is regularly compared to Bluetooth, but there are some key differences. Zigbee is focusing on control and automation, while Bluetooth is focusing on connectivity between laptop and smartphone, as well as more general cable replacement. Zigbee uses low data rate and a low power consumption and work with small packet devices. Unlike Zigbee, Bluetooth uses a higher data rate and higher power consumption and work with larger packet devices. Compared to Bluetooth, Zigbee network can support a larger number of devices and allows a longer range between devices. BATnet is a communication protocol for building automation and control network. It is a shared ANSI and ISO standard protocol. BATnet was designed to allow communication of building automation and control systems for applications such as heating, ventilating, and air conditioning control, which is HVAC, lighting control, access control, and fire detection system, and their associated equipment. The BATnet protocol provides a mechanism for computerized building automation device to exchange information, regardless of the particular building service they perform. ICP-USA provides protocol converter so that equipment with BATnet can be controlled with any of our controllers with Modbus protocol. Last thing will be the M-Bus or meter bus converter. M-Bus is a European standard for remote reading of gas meter, heat meter, or other electricity meters. This bus fulfills the special requirement of remotely powered or battery-driven system, including consumer utility meters, various sensor and actuator, which integrate into a network system. The meters deliver the measured data to a common master, which can, for example, be a handheld computer connected at intervals to read all utility meters of its building, and alternative method of collecting data is to transmit meter readings through a modem. With the M-bus converter, the data can be read directly into a SCADA system and have real-time data of the meter. M4132 module is a special design for the remote maintenance solution with voice streaming. This module provides two major technologies on networking: voice streaming and pair connection. The pair connection means that the user can operate remote control device via Ethernet TCP/IP protocol, just like a local control. And the device streaming means that user can talk to a remote operator while operating remote comlink device. That's all the webinar. Please feel free to ask any question you may have. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+ to get the most updated in industrial automation. Seems like we don't have any question. If you have any question in the future, you can send an email to us, and then we will answer it for you. Thank you everyone for attending.